Friends, today's session we are going to see concentration of ores by different methods. Okay, that is called concentration of ores. Okay, hydraulic washing. The first one is hydraulic washing. Why we have to concentrated ores? Because naturally occurring chemical substances containing metals are called minerals, and those minerals from which metals can be extracted conveniently and economically are called ores. So the ores are some impurities present like clay or sand particles or non-metallic particles, that is called gangue particles. Okay, the first method we are going to see hydraulic washing. The name itself it represent hydraulic washing, which mean that is the ore particles, impure ore particles are washed with using water, washed with that is hydraulic washing. Okay, here the principle, what principle used? Based on the difference in gravity of the ore and the gangue particles, because the heavier ores present in the lighter gangue particles. For example, tin, silver, gold and iron, these are the metals are heavier. Okay, these heavier metals presence of lighter impurities. How can we remove that? Using this hydraulic washing. Okay, so you see that here this is Wilfy plate. Okay, this Wilfy plate, it is a sloping it contains grooves are present. Okay, so the powdered impure ore fed on this Wilfy plate. So all the at the same times water also apply, the current of running water mixed with the impure metals, and all the lighter impurities are washed away with water, but the heavier ore particles are the grooves present at the grooves. Okay, like that we can separate easily, we can separate the concentrated ores from this impure ore. Okay, this is called hydraulic washing. Another one method is hydraulic classifier. You can see this diagram here. This is a conical shape, and here one outlet in the opening is present. This way we have to pour the impure ore. Here also one outlet is present, and the inlet for to apply the water. Okay, so here the impure powdered ore is passing through this way. At the same time, the current, the running stream of water also apply. Both impure powdered ore and the water is mixed. That is the suspension of ore with water. That condition is called suspension, mixed with water. Okay, so simultaneously we have to apply the current of water through this way. All the heavier particles easily settle down at the bottom. Okay, all the impurities present at the top, because here one outlet is present that we can decant easily. The presence of all the pure form concentrated ore is settled at the bottom. This is this way. Okay, this is the hydraulic classifier using so like that we can separate the concentrate the impure ore from pure ore. Okay, so at the same time it is a gravity separation of ore particles and the gangue particles. The some metals are used concentrated by this method. Okay.